Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter, and I got a package from AliExpress today, so let's get right to it. A package came from AliExpress, small package. Hopefully, in this case, beautiful things come in small packages, because I ordered this for my wife, something a little special. It was an inexpensive gift, so it wasn't a big deal, but I think she's gonna really like this. So let's check it out. And then I'm gonna get into some of the details on this item. Got my handy scissors. Just gonna go ahead and open this up. So I was kind of hoping that the presentation of this item might be a little bit more, as it's a necklace. So I was thinking maybe it would be in some sort I'm laughing because, well, let me explain why I'm laughing. I ordered this on January 25th. It is now May 16th. So that means it is just under 4 months since I placed my order for this item. This item was a Rain March, is the name of the store, and it was in the title, Rain March. Rain March personalized necklace. It was $4.84, so not too expensive. But one of the things about a personalized necklace is that it's supposed to be personalized. So the store had, when you make your purchase, a list of 20 different fonts that you could choose. And there was directions on how to do this. You were to message the store saying that you want this name or this word. 90% of the time it's probably a name. And then you wanted one of the 20 fonts. So I looked through the fonts and I picked the font that I thought would be closest to my wife's taste. About a month later, I get a notice from the store saying, hey, made a mistake, made it in a different font. Will this font be okay? It was a font, let me show you the font, because that's what they sent me. And I told them no, it would not be okay, because the font was it was full of hearts. And my wife is not the type of person to wear hearts or butterflies or any of that stuff. So I just picked a really nice cursive font. And I said to the store, when he asked me if it was okay that he messed it up, if he sent that one instead. And I said, no, I would really like the font that I chose, because that's the font that my wife, is more my wife's style. He said, okay, I understand. I will make sure that I send you out a new one. And as you can see, I got the one that has hearts all over it. It says our son's name, which is Hezekiah. And yeah, there's hearts everywhere on this thing. This is the font. I told him, no, I didn't want. First off, I thought it was kind of hard to read. And it's probably hard to read with me just holding it up. So I'm gonna go like this. Hezekiah. And there's hearts all over it. So anyways, long story short, I told the guy, no, please send me the one in the font that I asked for. He said, okay, we'll do that instead. And guess what? I got the one with the wrong font. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to open a dispute with AliExpress, because this is not what I asked for. This is, I mean, it is only $5. It was $4.84 to get this. That was shipped and everything. But it's not what I asked for. So if, yeah, I'm kind of frustrated with AliExpress right now. Let me explain why, and I'm not to go on a rant, but well, they messed this up. I had an item that didn't arrive when it was supposed to, so I had to open a dispute. I won that dispute, and I did end up getting my money back, but still, I'm not too happy. And I have items that I am still waiting for to arrive that I ordered on January 25th. So we're coming up on 4 months and the items haven't come. Now I know AliExpress has been affected by what's going on with the pandemic. So to a certain extent, I understand why things would be slower. But the stores themselves, they have the ability to adjust the protection. So let's say an item's coming and they know it's going to be late. They have the ability to say it's going to take longer than we thought, and then adjust the protection so I can get my money back, you know, if it doesn't come in the time frame that they say. But they didn't, that store didn't want to adjust the shipping. So yeah, so this item, personalized necklace from Rain March. They sent me the wrong font. I did not order this font. At least they got the name right, and it looks like they spelt it correctly. Yeah, they spelt the name correctly, so I guess I have to give them something for that. But they did not do the right font. Like I said, there was 20 different fonts, and they come in this. I got silver because my wife likes silver. She's not a gold person, but it did come in gold and rose gold as well. It only was a couple cents different for gold and rose gold, and more expensive. I think it was like, the silver was $4.84. I think for the gold it was like $4.92, and the same thing with the rose gold. So under $5 for any of them, pretty good. But you want to get what you ordered. So I did not. So they'll be getting my dispute, I guess. But yeah. So first time I had to make a video where for an AliExpress item that I wasn't too thrilled about. So yeah. Thank you. And until next time. Hey everyone, I just want to do a little follow-up on the Rain March personalized necklace that I got. Yesterday when I opened it and I did my review and unboxing, I was a little lost for words as I was kind of frustrated, especially seeing that I had spoken to the seller and tried to sort out some issues with the item ahead of time, and I still got the wrong item. But after 24 hours of sleeping on it and thinking about it, I've kind of softened my stance. First off, right away I went and opened a dispute on AliExpress, and I was actually, I uploaded a picture of the item and how it was wrong, and I told them what font I ordered and how I got font 1. And right away, I was given a rebate, or issued a refund. Don't have to send the item back, just here you go. I also gave it to my wife and told her, I know it wasn't exactly what I was hoping to give her, but she was actually happy with it. She was like, I know I'm not really a heart person, but I love that it was something personalized from you and that it has our son's name on it. So even that went better than I was anticipating. Not that I thought she'd be upset, but I thought she might not wear it, and she's been wearing it. So yeah, so I guess while I'm not gonna say I 100% would recommend that you go buy a personalized item from Rain March on AliExpress, I'm also not gonna say you shouldn't, because maybe this was an honest mistake and maybe it will be better for you. They don't have bad reviews, they have pretty good reviews. And and I don't want this guy to just, his shop to get, you know, taken down or anything just because he made one mistake or something. So his other stuff that he has on there, other jewelry, looks nice. I haven't tried anything else from him, but yeah, the fact that he has good reviews and he refunded me the money means that he's trying to make things right. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.